Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here for Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we specialize in only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. And today, check out this beautiful A36. She's a 1977 model, but with a 21st century state-of-the-art upgraded panel. Let's take a look. Our engine is a Teledyne Continental IO 520 285 horsepower engine, about 990 hours on the engine since new, and this was a new Continental factory Reman engine, complete with Gamma injectors. The exterior of Bonanza 903 Alpha Alpha is off-white overall with black, gold, and silver stripes in very good condition. Total time on the aircraft, 7,210 hours since new. Check out the large double cargo doors that we love about the A36. It makes loading our passengers and our things so much easier. Now you can see we've got the reversible club seating. We're in the club seating configuration right now. We can change that. We can let everybody all face forward if we want to, or let's say we have a lot of stuff we need to take with us and we want to just stow the seats or remove them altogether. I don't need any tools to do that. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, and voila, we're in business. So come on in and check out the interior. We have lovely beige leather seating, medium gray carpet, beige sidewalls, G&D tinted windows, lots of leg room to stretch out, and a special feature about this airplane I love, we have shoulder harnesses for every seat. Let's check out the flight deck on 930 Alpha Alpha, featuring new generation Garmin avionics. Your primary flight display is a Garmin G500 glass panel display. GPS Navcom number 1 is a Garmin GTN 750 with WAAS. GPS Navcom number 2, Garmin GTN 650 with WAAS. We have chart view on the 750, XM weather and music, Garmin Mode S traffic. Transponder is a Garmin GTX 330 ES with ADS-B out. Yes, folks, we are 2020 compliant. And you have an S-TEC 55X Autopilot, a JPI EDM 700 digital graphic engine monitor, and large standby instruments. A couple other features you'll enjoy: dual control yoke with dual push-to-talk, Gamma fuel injectors, music input for your iPad, WAAS and sun visors, a cabin door steward, and yes, factory air conditioning. This 1997 Bonanza A36 is looking for a new home. You can see it as beautiful paint, wonderful interior, factory air conditioning. And we've got the updated flight deck with the updated Garmin avionics package. We've got XM weather, we've got traffic, the Mode S transponder. We are ADS-B out compliance. We're 2020 compliant. So there's lots to love here. So check us out. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport, Carolina Aircraft. We look forward to meeting you and have you come test fly this beautiful A36. And Bonanza Skull is included in the price of the aircraft. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.